I'm saying here is very controversial and people will try and talk you out of it. Hi, I'm Rob from Gecko. If you're considering a home cinema system, you'll be told that you need to do lots of acoustic design and treatment to get the best sound. I'm telling you that really is not necessary if you use the right technology. This room was built about 12-13 years ago with a blank sheet of paper, so I could choose the height, the width, the length of the room. Every single detail of the room was designed for the best acoustics. Now I can achieve much better sound in completely untreated rooms that we have here. So I'm going to be removing all this acoustic treatment. If you're being told that you need acoustic design and treatment for the best sound, you're being sold out-of-date audio technology. Please come along and put it to the test. I've been designing and installing home theatre systems for over 30 years. I was the first guy in Europe doing it. I've installed over 1,000. This room is the 5th dedicated home cinema room I built to demonstrate what I do, and we've really gone to town on it. When we built this, which was about 12 years ago, we were able to choose the length of the room, the width of the room, the height of the room, what the walls were made out of, and every other feature that really impacts on sound quality. A genuine ground-up design with no compromise. I put a professional audio system in here, and it didn't sound very good. I'm now at the stage where I'm looking to take all this acoustic treatment out of the room because it's made the system worse, not better. What I'm saying here is very controversial and people will try and talk you out of it. Please trust your ears and come along and have a listen to the systems here. This system is fabulous after lots of work and lots of very clever electronics. The system next door has no acoustic treatment at all and sounds better than this. Room treatment is this year's snake oil. Please don't buy into the hype. Go and compare the different systems and you'll see it's something that you really do not need. The technology and the systems that we sell does not require this acoustic treatment. In fact, it relies on the reflections that you naturally get from the room to improve the sound quality. If you're being recommended lots of acoustic design and treatment, you're looking at an out-of-date system.